In a quiet town lived a young man named Rohan. He wasn't the worst student, nor the best, but he carried a dangerous habit: procrastination. Every time his parents reminded him to study, he would smile and say, "There's plenty of time. I'll start tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. Years slipped by. When his school results arrived, Rohan had failed. His parents consoled him, urging, "Son, learn the value of time. What's gone never returns." But Rohan laughed it off. He moved to the city for college, yet his habits followed him. Endless scrolling on social media, nights wasted in gossip, every important task pushed to later. In the same city lived an old man, respected by all, calm, wise, carrying the silence of mountains in his eyes. People called him Guru Anand. One restless evening, frustration overwhelmed Rohan. He thought, maybe this man can help me. So he went to meet Guru Anand, who was meditating under a banyan tree. With folded hands, Rohan whispered, "Guruji, I'm always left behind. My friends move ahead, and I remain stuck. I feel defeated. Please guide me." Guru Anand opened his eyes, smiled gently, and said, "Son, your problem is not ability. It is blindness toward time. Let me tell you a story. The parable. Long ago, there lived a noble king. One afternoon, while walking through his kingdom, he met a poor man, clothes torn, face weary, eyes full of despair. The king asked, "Why do you look so hopeless?" The man replied, "I tried everything, but nothing worked. I guess fate is against me." The king smiled. "I will give you a chance. Before sunset today, come to my palace. Whatever amount of gold you can carry will be yours." The poor man's eyes lit up. He ran home to tell his wife. She begged him, "Go quickly. Don't waste this chance." But the man replied, "First, let me eat. I'm starving." He ate slowly. Afterward, drowsiness hit him. "I'll nap for a while, then go." 2 hours passed. When he finally started walking, the sun was blazing. Exhausted, he rested under a tree. Sleep returned. 4 more hours gone. By the time he awoke, the sky was burning orange. He sprinted toward the palace, but the gates had already closed. Collapsing at the door, he wept. His one chance at fortune was stolen by his own delay. The lesson Guru Anand finished the story, his voice calm yet powerful. "Time is the most precious treasure, Rohan. Ignore it, and regret will be your only companion." The words struck Rohan like lightning. Tears filled his eyes. He bowed and whispered, "I understand now. Thank you, Guruji. From today, I will not waste a single moment." Transformation. From that day, Rohan's life took a sharp turn. He deleted the endless reels and distractions. He built a strict schedule, rising at 5 a.m., studying for hours, reviewing at night. Books became his closest friends. Months later, confidence replaced doubt. Knowledge sharpened his mind. And the same Rohan, once mocked for laziness, rose to the top of his class. Closing. And here's the truth for you, my friend. Every minute you waste is wealth thrown away. Time doesn't knock twice. Don't wait for tomorrow. Act today. If this story touched your heart, give it a like, share it with your friends, and remind them of the value of time. And if you want more such life-changing stories and a real motivation every day, then subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss the wisdom that could transform your journey. Om Shanti.